In order to make America great and glorious again, I am tonight announcing my candidacy for President of the United States. This is not a task for a politician or a conventional candidate. This is a task for a great movement that embodies the courage, confidence, and the spirit of the American people. Because this is not just a campaign. This is a quest to save our country. Talking about saving our country. If our movement remains united and confident, then we will shatter the forces of tyranny and we will unleash the glories of liberty for ourselves and for our children and for generations yet to come. America's golden age is just ahead. And we will make America great again. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.